Ficus tassagella, sacred tree. In the same way, sacred asper is there. So what is this asper tree? Asper tree is this. So most of the Rashtoli in Bardesh Taluka you will find with this tree. Got it, no? This is the toothbrush. So if you want to clean your teeth, once upon a time people were using this toothbrush. So now you are sponsored and patronized by Colgate company. So your brush and this brush is totally different. So this brush was used by our ancestors. So don't try to use this brush unless and until you have the proper knowledge. But this tree is a sacred in India, especially sacred in Goa, and that is why most of the Rashtoli, for example, Rashtoli at Dardev in Shivoli, you will find this tree, asper tree is there. So if you want more detail about the botanical name of the tree, it is there with me. We have documented it. But I have brought you here mainly to show you one of the unique hero stone of Goa. So what is hero stone? Hero stone is raised in the memory of the person who died for the particular cause. So these are called Virgal. So if you want more detail, no, you can read the writing of the Sanathan Guntar. So Sanathan Guntar says that one of the hero stones today became the center of attraction for the people of southern India and the northern India. पाहू द्यारे मज विठोबाचे मुख लागलिया असं. What the saint composed, the poem is according to, not according to me, according to the Sanathan Guntar, is a hero stone. Got it? And if you look at the way in which his idol sculpture is there, that clearly tells you that it is a hero stone. So I don't enter into the debate of it, but what the Sanathan Guntar mentioned, I have mentioned you. So there is one more book which provide you information about the hero stone of India. So Godler, foreigner, got it, no, along with the Ravi Kori Shettar, traveled whole of India to document the memorial stone. So this is the memorial stone not documented by them. This is for first time brought to the notice of the people by me. Got it, no, locally this is called Gupteshwar, and I have told you that there are 3 Wangod of this Pali village. So among them, Tidve is the one of the Wangod. So this belong to the Tidve, and you can see here the hero stone depicts person in a sleeping stage. So what does it? Now it is a challenge for you people. You can study it. You can make the PhD thesis. Got it, no? There are many places. I will give you the list. Got it, no? Wherein you can do the PhD, and I will help you in interpretation of all this asset of our ancestors. So 4 side. Got it, no? This hero stone has a 4 side depiction. Got it, no? So you look at it, very beautiful. Got it, no? It is called Gupteshwar, and one of the important hero stone, epoch making hero stone of Goa. So whatever hero stone concept that we were having, most of the hero stone, for example, the biggest hero stone of Goa is in Satari Taluka, in the Kartari. Got it, no? So in Kartari you will find the 5 panels are there, and the camel depiction, horses depiction is there on the hero stone. But here you find totally different concept. Got it, no? In Karnataka, for example, Aryan Gurav has done the PhD thesis on hero stone, and he had written a lot of paper. Dr. Aryan Gurav, who was there in the archaeological department of the Dharwad University. So now it is called Karnataka University. So he wrote, he has written beautiful paper on the hero stone. So that hero stone and this hero stone is totally different and very unique. So it offers you lot of opportunity to explore.